So, from vague propeller images, we have our first official look at the DJI's upcoming entry-level drone, the Lito X1. We have been waiting for the Lito series to appear for months, and finally, we now have a clear idea of what the drone is going to look like. All credit goes to Igor Bogdanov, as he shared two separate images for Lito 1 and Lito X1. Both drones look identical on the outside, so we are assuming the main difference will be on the hardware side. The Lito X1 is considered to be a successor to the DJI Mini 4K, which was really popular for its affordable price range. We have got more updates on the DJI Lito 1 and X1, so watch the video till the end. So let's break down what we understand from the leaked images. First, the design resembles the folding mechanism of the DJI Mini series. It's going to be really compact, most importantly under 249 grams. If you compare it with the Mini 5 Pro, the Lito drone looks a bit more roundish in shape, but I would say it does look sleeker. Another video popped up that shows the folding animation on the DJI RC Pro controller, further clearing the doubt. The drone will feature 4 quick-release propellers mounted on extended arms that appear modular, just like we have seen on the Mini 5 Pro. Overall, the drone looks to fit in your pocket when folded and can be a great choice for travelers and also for beginners who want to learn how to fly a drone. At the front, you will get a 3-axis gimbal camera, which is clearly visible underneath the body. The camera housing looks more integrated with the body, which will ensure better stabilization. Though it's uncertain, we are assuming the Lito X1 will be able to record up to 4K videos at 120 frames per second. This should be more than enough to capture your cellular aerial footage. The images also reveal the LiDAR sensor being present on the Lito series, and the drone is expected to offer a 360-degree obstacle avoidance via fisheye optics, so you can barely crash the drone into any unwanted objects, and it will be able to detect nearby objects even in dark conditions. As for the transmission, the Lito X1 is expected to feature OcuSync 5, the latest transmission technology from DJI with a range of around 30 kilometers, so you will have firm control over your drone and also get your desired shots from a very long distance. Now, the previous FCC listing had already confirmed that the drone is ready for US launch, and judging by the appearance of the leaked image, the Lito series could launch somewhere around Q2 of this year. Overall, the DJI Lito X1 seems to be a perfect alternative to the Mini 5 Pro if you want to get started with drone flying, and also the features make it a value for money drone. And since it does not require an FAA license, anyone can fly it, so would you be choosing the Lito series over the Mini series if it's priced lower? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.